are going to take a deeply breathe in, out. Okay, open with our left leg out, hands out, face ready, and straight with our elbows. At the same time, we are looking at left hand side. Okay, next step, left leg out, and crouch down as horse stance and uppercut with my left arm. And block, bull stance, punch. Okay, the next move, snap kick, punch fist. I'll do slowly, punch kick at the same time. And my right leg step on. Next move is horse stance, punch. Okay, 3 point. Okay, the next move is your left arm is hand. Put your fingers together between your thumb, and the other arm is fist. So you hit like this. Okay, in front of your knee. Okay. All right. So from horse stance, I go. So at the same time, we pronounce yi. Okay. When you're hitting, yi. Turn around, block. When you punch, you pronounce ha. The energy from your core. Ha. All right. So the next move, my right shoulder goes first. Cross hand. The right arm is inside, alright? And then I'm going to step on with my right leg. So which arm inside you're going to push first. Okay? So my right arm push first. Left arm. And then you hook. Go like this. Alright, that's crouching stance. And then I'm going to block, hook, left arm push. Okay, the next move, I'm going to bring my left arm back next to my waist. And right hand, put it here. Snap, your right hand snap your left foot. And then your left leg snap as well. Slowly, you can see. Bring back with your right arm. Block. So block like this. Okay. So block. Step on, full stand, push. Go like this. And then turn around. Horse stance. Left arm. Uppercut. Block, punch. Okay, so I'm going to do the other side. So my back towards you guys, so you can look more details. Okay, everyone, let us move on to the next part. So we're from here. Okay, the next move is your hand goes like this. Through your waist, you stretch with your hand. At the same time, you kick with your right heel. Okay, so I'm from here, goes like this, stretch with my hands, kick with my right heel, and step on, horse stance, full stance, double punch, slap kick, let's do it slowly. Look at back, palm are facing up, step on our full stance, stretch with my elbow, right elbow. Next, step with your right hand, stick, go, block, empty stance punch. Go, horse stance, punch. Your right arm is higher, so your left arm is flat. Okay. And right leg step on, cross leg, uppercut with your right arm. Look at back. Horse stance. So I'm gonna hook with my right hand. My left arm, I'm gonna straight with my elbow here. At the same time, pronounce win, with energy from our core. Win. Above our head, the other one above our knee. And then bring our chi back. Okay, so I'm going to do the other side back towards you guys so you can see more details.